I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Discord and ensuring Midjourney is active. Once ready, type/imagine and write a clear prompt. Next, decide your aspect ratio. Choose 1 for square, 16, 9 for widescreen, or 3, 2 for print. Add the parameter aspect or R immediately after the prompt because Midjourney reads modifiers left to right. Make sure to include no spaces in the flag. This first step sets composition and framing, so be intentional about subject placement and negative space. Once done with aspect, refine size by using width and height when the model version supports explicit pixels. Otherwise, use up beta or uplight for the upscale behavior you want. Then set quality to 1 or 2 to increase detail, but expect longer render times and more credits. 0. 5 speeds things up. Make sure to balance resolution versus cost. Also, chain modifiers in a logical order so Midjourney applies aspect, then quality, then upscaling. This sequence affects final image fidelity. You finish by selecting an upscale or a variation. Click U1, U4 to upscale the preferred option, or V1, V4 to get new variations of a chosen thumbnail. If you need consistent outputs, include seed and rerun the prompt. Make sure to monitor your model version. Newer Midjourney releases change supported flags, so if width/height or aspect are ignored, switch model or omit incompatible flags. One troubleshooting tip: if size changes are ignored, change the model version and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.